there, welcome to Betty TV, where your health is our top priority. Let's look at some signs and symptoms of hyperthyroidism disease in our society today and be able to prevent and avoid its damage to our health. Hyperthyroid is an abnormal functioning of your thyroid gland, and this thyroid is a small gland located at the front of your neck which releases hormones to regulate the energy your body uses. In other words, if you have high thyroid level, it means that your thyroid gland is overactive, and this makes more thyroid hormones than your body needs, which now causes what we call hyperthyroidism. The hormones produced by your thyroid glands are T4 and T3, as you can see on the screen, and they play an important role in the way your entire body is functioning. So for this reason, when there is an imbalance such as high T4, it has an effect on almost every aspect of your health. Why is that so? Because thyroid hormones controls your metabolism, it controls your breathing, it controls your heart rate, it controls your nervous system, it controls your weight and body temperature. So you see that this disease is a delicate one as it affects every part of your health. So what now is its signs and symptoms that if you notice it, you should consider visiting your doctor before it escalates. Number 1, heat sensitivity and excess sweating is one of the common signs of hyperthyroidism. It is a sensational feeling of too warm or hot. There is an inability to tolerate heat coupled with excess sweating without control. Could be an indication for you to visit your physician. Secondly, frequent bowel movement experiences, in the sense that an increased level of thyroid is going to meddle with most of our gastrointestinal tract, which will lead to decrease of stool, and this will later on translate to diarrhea. If you notice this sign, do not ignore it, okay? Furthermore, fertility and menstruation problem is another symptom of hyperthyroid disease. That is, high thyroid hormones level can throw your other hormones level out of whack, disrupting your ability to conceive a child. Then girls with hyperthyroid might experience delayed menstruation, while menstruating women may experience decreased menstrual flow as well as irregular periods. If you are going through these fertility and menstruation issues, kindly visit your doctor for checkup, okay, to know if this could be as a result of hyperthyroid. Hyperthyroid comes in with insomnia. You start having difficulties to sleep or staying asleep, and because of this, you get up feeling tired or fatigued. Another sign is hand shakiness or tremors. If you notice any involuntary or erratic movement in your hands or arms, this should definitely be a call of concern. Hyperthyroid is linked to movement disorder. Note that depression could occur with older patients with hyperthyroid. Irregular heartbeat is a big one here. Your thyroid hormones directly affects the heart. So when the hyperthyroid increases, your heart rate can experience abnormal heart rhythm. With this, doesn't hesitate to address it before it aggravates, okay? Hyperthyroid increases blood sugar. Here, thyroid disease has been linked to diabetes, and diabetic patients who develop hyperthyroidism have higher risks of complications. It speeds up the rate that insulin is metabolized and increases the production and absorption of glucose. This can result to increased insulin resistance, which is extra problematic if you are a diabetic. Skin, hair, and nail changes could be a symptom as well. You might experience tiny hair and skin, redness in your face, elbow, palms, and nails, rashes on your skin, or you can find yourself unexpectedly growing gray hair at a younger age. Changes in appetite is another sign of thyroid. In this case, while higher level of thyroid-stimulating hormones leads to decrease in food intake, T3 has been shown to do just the opposite, that is, increase of food intake. So it depends on which hormones your thyroid glands decides to overproduce. You could find yourself hungry all the time, or you could feel like losing your interest in food altogether. Hence, appetite fluctuation could be an indication as well. Weight loss might be a common symptom too. Hyperthyroid kicks your metabolism into high gear, which now makes it very difficult or if not impossible to put on weight, even with increased food intake level. Extreme is another signal. Here you start feeling anxious, irritable, mood swings, and nervousness. All this due to high increase of thyroid gland in your system. If you are new here, friend, consider subscribing for more healthy updates and turn on your notification bell to be notified each time we upload, okay? Thank you for doing so. Swollen base on the neck could also be a symptom of thyroid, friends. This act is also called goiter. That is an enlarged thyroid gland, and this is usually painless, but this act can cause you cough or in more severe cases makes it difficult for you to swallow or breathe. Rounding up with signs and symptoms of thyroid, Sudden paralysis could be another signal, guys. This is known as thyrotoxic periodic paralysis. This relatively rare symptom involves severe muscles weakness and only occurs in people with high hormones level. Now that we have seen some of those signs and symptoms of hyperthyroid, so those who are highly exposed to this that need to be more careful or take more precautions are those with family history of thyroid disease, those with vitamin B12 deficiency, those with cortisol problem, those over 60 years of age. Note here that this also affects both men and women, but more likely with women, guys. So with this now, how do you diagnose and find out if you have it or not? It is done through analysis of medical history and symptoms which you just saw above, physical examination, an ultrasound or nuclear medical scan, blood tests to measure level of thyroid hormones. Remember that early discovery is important so that you and your doctor can outline a plan for hyperthyroid treatment before it causes irreversible damage on your health. Thank you all for watching till this point. Invest in your health, guys. If you find this educative, kindly share the video out with your loved ones. Comment your point of view in the comment section below and give the video a thumbs up, okay? To my returning subscribers, much love to you all. And to you that is watching for the very first time, I love you too as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remain healthy and joyous. Bye for now.